Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English unit number 5, page number 52, exercise grammar. Students, now let us start topic relative pronouns. Definition: a relative pronoun is a pronoun that has an adjective clause. Example: the relative pronouns are that, which, who, whom and whose. इसमें नंबर 1 पे सेंटेंस है द कैट दैट एट माई बिस्किट्स इज लुकिंग गिल्टी. In this sentence, word that is a relative pronoun. Next, number 2 पर sentence है my new bag which I bought yesterday is beautiful. In this sentence, word which is a relative pronoun. Next, number 3 पर sentence है the young girl whose hand was fractured in the accident has not been coming to school. In this sentence, word whose is a relative pronoun. Next, number 4 पर sentence है the boy who found this purse discovered 1,000 rupees in it. In this sentence, word who is a relative pronoun. Next, number 5 पर sentence है the girl whom I was talking to is a good friend. In this sentence, word whom is a relative pronoun. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.